Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting, standing, or even lying down. There's no wrong way to do this. No pressure, no expectations. Just 5 minutes for yourself. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes, or if you prefer, softening your gaze downward, allowing your vision to blur and relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and let it go, releasing through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and out slowly. One more time, in and out. Notice where you are right now. The sounds around you, maybe traffic or voices, or the hum of electronics. The temperature of the air on your skin, the surface beneath you, supporting your weight. Just noticing, without needing to change anything. Simply being present with what is. Now bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to control it, just observe its natural rhythm. Feel the cool air moving in through your nostrils, the gentle rise of your chest or belly, and the warm air flowing out. In and out. In and out. Your mind will wander. That's completely normal and natural. Thoughts will come, worries about the day, plans for later, memories from the past. When you notice your mind has drifted away, simply acknowledge it. No judgment, no frustration, and gently guide your attention back. Back to the breath, back to this moment. Gently, like you're guiding a good friend, with kindness and patience. Let's do a body scan together. Bring your attention to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations there, any tension or tightness. Now relax your forehead, smooth out any lines. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Release your jaw, letting your teeth part slightly. Feel your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Now your neck and shoulders. This is where so many of us hold our stress. Let your shoulders drop down away from your ears. Roll them back slightly if that feels good. Notice the difference. Move down to your chest and your heart center. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Your belly, soft and relaxed. Your lower back, releasing any grip or tightness. Your arms heavy and loose, all the way down to your fingertips. Your hips and legs supported and grounded. Down through your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the way to the soles of your feet, connected to the earth beneath you. Continue breathing naturally, easily. Each breath is an anchor. Each breath brings you back to this present moment. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing else competing for your attention. Just this. Just now. Just breathing. If you notice tension anywhere in your body, breathe into that space. Imagine your breath flowing directly to that spot, bringing warmth and relaxation. And as you exhale, imagine that tension melting away, dissolving, leaving your body with each out breath. You might notice thoughts still arising, That's okay. Let them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to grab onto them or push them away. Just watch them come and watch them go, returning again and again to the simple rhythm of your breath. In and out, in and out. Notice the pause between breaths, that still point between the inhale and the exhale. Rest there for a moment, in that quiet space. You're doing beautifully. There's no way to do this wrong. Every moment of awareness, every time you return to your breath, is a success. You're training your mind to be here, to be present, to find peace wherever you are. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time, for prioritizing your well-being, for choosing to pause and breathe. This is an act of self-care, an act of self-love. Now let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for just a moment and release fully. Again, breathe in all the way and let it all go. One more time. Breathe in and release. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Turn your head side to side gently. When you're ready, with no rush at all, gently open your eyes. Blink a few times. Notice how you feel. Maybe there's a sense of calm or clarity, or simply a moment of rest. Whatever you're feeling is exactly right. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move back into your day. Remember, you can return to your breath anytime you need, wherever you are. The stillness is always available to you.